One more sip.
We all got the same germs plus some.
It's good.
There he goes there. Here he is, son. Back down. My parking spot. Turned and started that way and the little old man backed out of his parking spot right beside him, and the car goes like
He's scared of that.
that car goes. And I turned and looked back at Aaron because usually I
He was probably
He
laughing.
did. He started laughing at me because he had a good time.
Gonna catch him in a minute, Aaron. Gonna catch him. Better get ready.
I already got him. I'm trying to film him. He's got a meet somewhere. Probably meeting at West Shannon right now.
Why don't we try to have a rummage sale around August? Sound like winter to me? If we could take everything out of the in the back room, not out of it, but like move it all to the back room. The bathroom, living room, kitchen area. Put it in there if we need to. And they have the air conditioner. The bathroom.
He's on the side track because there's another train coming. He's off on the side track.
That kind of has it in. I'll sit on the trailer.
Oh, we could. There he is, brother. There he
And
is.
if I can get up here, I'll stop long enough for you to catch him, but I've got to be at the doctor in 45 minutes.
Yeah,
He's an older looking
Try to
train.
get up here.
Get ready to step out, son.
Even at getting out just right.
There, brother. There,
Now
Mama
then,
got you
won't
now.
even have You in a bigger hurry than I am. Told my boss I'm going to see if I can get one for each one of the boys and get that out. Always. Over on Loop. It's a stepping on.
I got it right there. Send it to Gary for your father.
I can post you wasn't bragging about that. I was proud of the fact that after everything she's done for me, and after everything she's done for me, I was able to pay back some, do something for her. I'm like, Lord Jesus. But she told Kayla, she said, I'd go over and see the baby, but I'm not going to. Well, you're the one that begged her to come, then you kicked her out. And she was like, I was almost missing the call and taking a couple of weeks. I said, girl, you better give me a 6-week notice. I ain't driving 11 hours to Oklahoma. I didn't lose nothing there. It'd be just as cheap for her to get a bus ticket.
Yeah, she might have too much stuff, you know what I'm saying?
They set her up. She gets a check for $140-something to help pay for her light bill, which is $40 this month. So, and then she's got a gas bill. They gave her 3 months on grace period, not grace period, but after June or July, I can't remember what she said. Then they're gonna, she'll have to start paying them then. And I told her, I said, save what you don't use off that check they give you, put it up in an envelope.
Yep, 28.10 and 28.35. Wow.